In today's video, you will learn how to change hair color in Adobe Photoshop. Today, I'm going to show you a simple and clean way to change hair color inside Adobe Photoshop while still keeping the natural detail and texture of the hair. This method works especially well because it allows you to isolate the hair properly before making any color adjustments, which gives you a much more realistic result. Start by selecting the Lasso tool from the toolbar. Once you have it selected, create a loose selection around the hair. It does not need to be perfect because we'll refine the edges in the next step. Just make sure all of the hair is included inside the selection area. After that, go to Select and then choose Select and Mask. Inside the Select and Mask workspace, open the View Preset menu and switch it to Overlay View. This makes it easier to clearly see the selected area. Increase the opacity to 100% so the overlay becomes fully visible and you can better identify the edges of the hair. Next, select the Refine Edge Brush tool. Carefully paint around the edges of the hair. This step is important because hair contains soft strands and fine details that are difficult to select manually. As you brush around the edges, Photoshop will automatically improve the selection and separate the hair from the background much more naturally. Once the edges look clean, open the Properties panel. Under Output, choose Selection, then click OK. Now click on the group icon and create a layer mask. This helps keep your edits organized and non-destructive. Next, create a hue and saturation adjustment layer. Lower the saturation slider all the way down to -80. This removes a large amount of the original hair color and gives you a cleaner base to work with. After that, create a levels adjustment layer. Increase the midtone input level to 0.85, then adjust the highlight output level to 145. These settings help balance the brightness and contrast of the hair so the new color blends more naturally with the image. Once you are satisfied with the result, close the Properties panel. Now select the Brush tool using a soft round brush. Set the brush opacity and flow both to 100%. Click on the mask and make sure your foreground color is set to black. Paint over any unwanted areas to erase extra parts of the adjustment and clean up the final result. And that's it. You've successfully changed hair color in Adobe Photoshop while keeping the hair texture smooth and realistic.